Good morning, student. Today we are going to carry problem number 5 in part 3. We already finished the debit side of trial balance. Okay, so rest part we discussed today. Okay, this is problem number 6. Okay, Sony Limited was registered, and we completed this problem up to cash at bank. The last one item, building, is transferred to notes number notes under the tangible assets. So tangible asset building 1,34,290, 1,34,290. Okay, now debit side of trial balance, sales and sales outward, we already transferred. Sales are transferred under the notes revenue from operation and return outward. This item is deducted from the amount of purchases under the note purchases of stock in trade. Okay, now the next item is 18% bank loan and it is secured. So total amount of bank loan is rupees 50,000. Basically, it is one type of liabilities, but with the bank loan, rate of interest is also given. Whenever percentage of interest is attached with the any atom, that means we need to calculate interest on that atom and verify whether this interest is paid or received during the year. Okay, so the total amount of bank loan is 50,000 and annual interest rate is 18%. When we calculate 18% interest on rupees 50,000, the total interest amount is 9,000. But similarly, on debit side, interest on bank loan is given. If interest on bank loan, the debit amount is equal to 9,000, then there is no need to calculate or transfer any interest other than such interest transferred to debit side of profit and loss account. But here only 4,500 interest is paid during the year. Total amount is 9,000. The interest paid is 4,500. That means 50% interest is paid during the year and 50% is outstanding. So 4,500 become outstanding and it should become a liabilities because any outstanding expenses is treated as liabilities. So in this problem, one additional adjustment in this regard is also given, that is provide interest on bank loan for 6 months, right? So interest on bank loan for 6 months is paid 4,500 and remaining 4,500 is outstanding. So this is the adjustment. Uh, Firstly, we transfer 18% bank loan that is secured on the liability side of the balance sheet. See here. This is the format of balance sheet, and this is the liability side. So bank loan is related to the long-term borrowing. Long-term borrowing. It is not fall under the shareholder fund, not fall under the share application money pending allotment. It is not treated as current liabilities. It is treated as long-term borrowings. Okay, and that's why it is fall under the non-current liabilities under the heading long-term borrowings. Okay, long-term borrowings. So we have separate notes in this regard. That is notes number 3. Notes number 3. Long-term borrowing. 18% bank loan. Okay, 50,000. 50,000. Similarly, interest on bank loan is given on the debit side of the trial balance, and we already transferred it to debit side of profit and loss account under the notes finance cost. Under the note finance cost, right? Interest on bank loan. So this is the balance given on the debit side of trial balance 4,500, and we calculate outstanding interest for 6 months. It is calculated as under total bank loan is 50,000 multiple by 18%. So it is 9,000 for 1 year. 9,000 divided by 12 multiple by 6 months. 6 months. So 9,000 is given for 12 months, and we need to calculate outstanding for 6 months. So rupees 4,500 is the outstanding balance, and we added this outstanding interest in interest paid during the year. Okay, so 4,500 plus 4,500, total interest amount is rupees 9,000. Rupees 9,000. Okay, so outstanding amount is transferred under bank loan. So this amount become a liability. That's why we transfer it under the liability side, okay, of the balance sheet under the long-term borrowing. Outstanding interest on bank loan 50,000 plus 4,500. 4,500. That means 54,500. 54,500. This is the adjustment. Okay. So next item is creditor. Again, creditor is the liabilities. Creditor is the liabilities. That's why it is fall under the liabilities side. Fall under the liabilities side. So creditor is related to the current liabilities. So we ignore the above 3 years. That is the shareholder fund, share application money, and non-current liabilities, because creditor represent the current liabilities. Now we think on it, which is appropriate head for creditor. Is it short-term borrowing? No, it is not related to loan. Creditor means a party from company purchase on credit. Okay, it is short-term provision. No, it is not related to the provision. Other current liabilities. Yes, it is current liabilities, but not other, because a specific head is given under the current liabilities in balance sheet format, that is trade payable. So creditor, bills payable, such items falls under the trade payable, and we have separate notes in this regard, that is notes number 5, trade payable. Creditors, there is no any adjustment in this regard, that's why we transferred the balance amount given in trial balance in outer column, 62,220. Now next item, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account, this is the opening balance given in the trial balance, and it should be transferred to the credits, sorry, liabilities side under the notes reserve and surplus. We have separate note in balance sheet under liabilities side. Okay, here reserve and surplus, and we have separate note, notes number 2, reserve and surplus. Profit and loss account. Okay, opening balance, opening balance, opening balance 38,680. And any profit received during the year should add in this opening balance. Then any appropriation given in the trial balance, sorry, in the adjustment, should make appropriation from the profit and loss account balance. Okay, so this is the opening balance, add profit for the year, profit for the year. If losses occurred to the company during the year, it should be deduct from the opening balance. Okay, now next item is general reserve. General reserve is also transferred under the heading reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus. See, any adjustment is given related to the reserve, general reserve, number 1, no, stop, office salary, bank interest, depreciation on plant and machinery, okay, write off preliminary expense and make a provision. So there is no any adjustment given in this regard. That's why we transfer whole amount in the outer column. Okay, general reserve. And last item is share capital. Share capital. We already transfer the share capital from the above sentence rupees 4 lakhs to the notes number 1, 4 lakhs. Okay, paid up capital for the 4 lakhs. So we transfer all trial balance and all items in appropriate under the appropriate heads. Okay, so adjustment number 1 we already take and transferred in appropriate notes. Then adjustment number 2, outstanding office salary, it is also we transferred. Number 3, yes, it also transferred. Number 4, yes, it is also over. Then number 5, it is also transferred. And now adjustment number 6, make a provision for income tax at 50%. It is the provision for taxation and it is calculated on profit for the current year. Before transfer this adjustment, we need to calculate profit for the year. That's why now we close the all notes regarding the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. That's why from this notes number 15. Okay, close all notes. Yes. What is the amount of revenue from operation? 11 lakh 57,000. Sorry. 57,420. Okay. Notes number okay. Note number 16, nil. Then purchases of stock in trade. Yes. 7,08,360 plus 4,910. Send me answer. Send me total in chat box. Okay. 7,13,270. Okay. Then employee benefit expenses. Total of employee benefit expenses 1,09,740 plus 19,070 plus 26,250. Okay, 1,55,060. Then finance cost 9,000. Then depreciation and amortization 19,260 plus 1,750. 21,010. Okay, 21,010. Now other expenses 19,240 plus 8,600 plus 2,000. Okay, 29,840. 840. Okay, so this is the totaling of all notes related to the profit and loss account. Now we transfer all these total of notes in the profit and loss account. So notes number 15, revenue from operation 11,000, 57,000, 11,57,220. Notes number 16, nil. So okay, so totaling of first note is 11,57,220. Now cost of material consumed, then purchases of stock in trade, purchases of stock in trade, 7,13,270. Okay. Then change in inventories, we already transferred 61,580. Then employee benefit expenses, notes number 18, 1,55,060. Okay. Then finance cost 9,000. Okay. Finance cost 9,000. Notes number 19. Depreciation and amortization. See, finance cost 9,000. Depreciation and amortization 21,010. And last, other expenses 29,840. Okay, this is the totaling of okay. Now calculate the total expenses. Calculate total expenses. 7,13,270. Sorry, 7,13,270, 61,580, 1,55,060, 9,000 plus 21,010 and 29,840. Total expenses. Okay, 9,89,760. This is the total of B. Total B. This is total of A. Total A minus total B. That means 11,57,220 minus 9,89,760. So total revenue minus total expenses is equal to profit before tax. What is the C? Profit before tax. So tell me 11,57,220 minus 9,89,760. 1,67,460. Okay. One lakh Okay, 1,67,460 is the C, profit before tax, that is profit before exceptional item and extraordinary item, A minus B. There is no any exceptional and extraordinary item given in the problem, so it is nil. D. Nil. Okay. Then 1,67,460 minus nil. That means profit before tax is also 1,67,460. Now this is the profit before tax. Now we need to calculate tax expenses, that is provision for taxation, and we have one adjustment regarding this, that is make a provision for income tax at 50%. So 50% of profit before tax is the provision for taxation, 50% provision. Okay, so what is the amount of 50% of 50% of 1,67,460? Yes, what is the answer? 83,730. Okay, and rest amount is also same, 83,730. So this is profit for the year and this is provision for taxation. Provision for taxation, it is provision, that's why it's become a liability, and we have separate notes in this regard, that is short-term provisions. Short-term provisions. See here. Short-term provision. Notes number 7. Notes number 7 under the heading balance sheet. Current liabilities. Short-term provision. Notes number 7. Provision for taxation. Provision for taxation. Okay, it is 3,730, and profit for the year. Profit for the year is also transfer. It is profit. Profit for the year. Profit for the year. 83,000. A, B, C, D, E, F. Last answer is G. Okay, but not necessary to write. 83,730. So it is transferred to profit for the year. There is no appropriation given in this regard in the present problem. So total profit is, yes, 38,640 plus 83,730. Yes, what is totaling? 38,640 plus 83,730. Okay, 1,22,570 or 370. 370. Okay, 370. And okay, this is the total profit. Total profit. And less appropriation. But in this problem, there is no any appropriation. That's why we write whole amount at out in outer column. Now times to close all notes related to the balance sheet. Notes number 1, 4 lakhs. Notes number 1, 4 lakhs. Notes number 1, 4 lakhs. Notes number 2, okay. What is the total of notes number 2? 50,000 plus 1 lakh 22,000, 1 lakh 72,370, right? Dash. Okay, long term borrowing 54,500. Short term borrowing short term borrowing is nil. Short term borrowing is nil, and trade payable is 62,220. Is nil. 62,220. Other current liabilities is also nil. Sorry, there is an, I think, outstanding salary is transferred in other current liabilities. Right. $1,200. And short-term provision is 83,730. 1,200. Okay. This is the liability side total. First, now total second. Tangible asset. Tangible asset. Yes. 1,64,210 plus 1,09,140. 15,750. Yes. Please send me answer immediately. We have very few seconds. Intangible asset nil. Long-term loan. balance sheet, it is also nil. See, I request you all, please close all notes and transfer in balance sheet, and close the total first and total second. If total first is equal to